guys, I'm back to share with you guys one of the planner covers. Sorry for the glare, by the way, but I'm back to share with you guys one of the planner covers that I made for my mini happy planner. I had to make my own because my happy planner is very chunky and it didn't fit in anything else. So I went on YouTube and I just looked up DIY planner covers, and I saw that a couple of videos of women using placemats, like table placemats, to make their own covers. So basically, based off of that idea, I created my own. So I found this placemat in a dollar store. I thought it was pretty because it was gold and shiny. So basically I cut it to size and I took like the other end like this and I folded it in. If you guys can see, let me open it up so you guys can see what I'm talking about. Let me open. So when you open it, it's like this. I basically had these already made side pockets, so I just basically used two-sided tape and I added them to this side of the cover, so that way if I wanted to keep any sticky notes or note paper or anything like that in there, I could. But basically the other end of the placemat, I folded it in and I used E3000 to glue it down, and I'm able to then attach the back to slide in the back cover so that it can hold the happy planner in place. And then there's my happy planner inside, and just like any of the traveler's notebooks covers, I just basically looped an elastic, and I chose a silver one because that's what I had in hand. So I looped an elastic so that way I can use this to hold the cover closed. And I had some of these, I wanted to put a little decoration on it but not too much, didn't want to go overboard, so I had some of these little charms and I put them on there on the elastic. So I have a Hansa hand, an evil eye, and an owl, which I love. I love those things. And basically you just, see if I can do it with one hand, you just basically wrap the elastic around and it closes the planner inside. It was pretty easy to make. If you guys go on YouTube and look up planner covers using placemats, there are several videos on how to do it, and I was pretty happy with mine. I didn't have a cover for it, so I'm glad that now I do, and it was made by me, so it makes it that extra special, and I really like it. It works for me. If I ever find another placemat that's maybe a little bit more simple and that I feel like I can use it to make a cover, I probably will do that. I have some ideas of making another cover, maybe using like a plastic folder, because Dollar Tree had some really cute ones with really cute designs and I bought them, and I might make some more using those folders. If I do, I'll probably share that with you guys so you guys can see. And again, sorry for the glare. That's how the cover looks. I'm pretty happy with it. It keeps my happy planner inside very well protected, and I can travel with it if I want, and it just keeps like my happy planner closed. I did make another one, and that one I will be sharing in another video because I'm still I put some E6000 on it to glue down something on that cover. So once I completely finish with it, I will share it with you guys. And that's it for this video. If you guys like, please comment, like, and subscribe. They will help me out a lot. Now that I'm pregnant, I'm planning on catching up on this hobby of mine. I'm gonna be uploading more videos, planner related, and also life and style related. Maybe I might even do some nursery style or baby related videos as well, because I have so many ideas for organizing like the baby's drawers and her clothing and things like that. And I might be doing some DIYs in the closet for her clothing, so I might share those type of videos with you guys as well, for those ladies that are expecting like me, or that have or will be having babies. But basically what I'm going to do in this channel is I'm going to do planner videos. I'm going to do videos on things that I love, like skincare, makeup, organization, DIYs, planners, and home related things, since I am a homemaker. So I hope you guys will continue to join me. And for those that enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe so that I can keep giving you guys more content. Thank you guys, and I will see you in my next video.